Hi, everybody. I'm Glenn, and today's date is April the 20th, 2025. It's Easter Sunday, and I'm kind of excited about this day because I just yesterday began, actually, 2 days ago, I began the William Buhlman's online workshop entitled Adventures Beyond the Body Workshop. And it's a very extensive workshop filled with all kinds of written material and also lectures, video lectures from William. And I tell you what, I went through the syllabus and I'm really impressed with all the work that he did. I mean, this is like a college course. This is like a college level, maybe even a doctoral level course on learning the techniques and learning what to expect and learning how to handle different situations in the out of body state. And I've already reaped some benefits from this. There was one thing that I wasn't real clear on, and I never stressed it as much as what William did in this first lesson that I took. He talked about the energy flow, the breath work that you do at the beginning of your exercise, creating that flow of energy from your head to your feet and that circular flow, creating that resonant energy balloon, and how important that is in creating the energy, which will help assist you in raising your vibrational level. And also, he mentioned something too, which I experienced years ago when I was doing some out of body practices. And that is the different sounds that you might hear when your body begins to separate, when it goes kind of out of phase with your astral body. When your astral body goes out of phase with your physical body, you might hear different sounds. And he said you can hear the sound of the wind, or you can hear sound of the humming, and you can even feel things like being touched and hear loud sounds. Well, I heard a loud sound last night. I was doing the exercise. I was doing it was the target technique. I had a few items in the room next to where I was doing my practice. And I got into the exercise. I did the breath work, and I did the affirmations. And another thing that he stressed too, which I made a conscious effort to keep this in my consciousness, in my mental framework, and that is the words, "Now I am experiencing the out of body state," or "Now I'm experiencing out of body experience." Um, and let me, I guess a better way of putting that is, now I'm having an out of body experience. Now I'm having an out of body experience. And I kept that in my mind constantly. And I listened to I think it was one of Robert Monroe's hemisync tapes. I just wanted to listen to just in the background, listen to the hemisync sound in my headphones. And I kind of drifted off after a while. This is like 3 o'clock in the morning. That's the time that I do this usually. And I kind of drifted off with, that thought in my mind. Now I'm having an out of body experience. Now I'm having an out of body experience. And all of a sudden I heard this bang. It was like somebody was standing alongside of me with a 12 gauge shotgun and they just fired it. And my body leaped out of the recliner that I was sitting in. And I go, wow, that was wild. And if I'm to understand this correctly, that very well might indicate that my astral body was beginning to go out of phase with the physical body. So it was all good. but it brought back memories of back in the 70s when I was doing these practices. And the same kind of thing happened, only it wasn't a shot. Now, I heard that the loud sound too back then, but I also heard once I was doing my exercise and I'm like, I guess getting to the point where I'm ready to separate. And I heard this a loud roar of a lion, like a wow. And it just, it freaked me out, to be honest. But now I understand it. That's good. That's a good indication that your body is beginning to separate. So that happened. And this is just in like 2 days of taking the workshop. So I'm pleased with that. I may seem a little giddy now or a little strange, but I'm excited about it. Um, and I need to have this. William says, be playful with this, enjoy it, have fun with it. So I am. I'm having fun with it. And I just wanted to give you an update. So if you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comment section of the video. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back on with another update, probably within the week. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.